Okay, I'm gonna be honest here, I don't know this map. So, well, I mean, I looked through it in Doom Builder a bit, but I don't know if that, like, I looked at it for like 3 minutes. So I do know a semblance of what's happening out there. Not much. Dude, why are there so many specters? Ow! Here, I'll help you out. That was really funny. That was really funny. Oh, but I have to go back. Okay. Oh man, now I have to kill you. Oh wait, no I don't. Dude, okay, well now I really have to kill you. Dude, stop hitting me with your stupid... Oh my god. Okay, no, nothing here. What about this? Aha! Oh, wait, yeah, this is that secret. Can I go back? No. Not allowed. I wanna go back. There's a berserk pack in there. There's like a bunch of imps in this level. Okay, yeah. Oh god, that guy was about to send me to Jesus. Or, no. Would I just go back to hell? Like, or would nothing even happen? Like, I just come back in the exact same spot? I guess that's what pistol starting is. Wait, does pistol starting make sense according to the lore? It's like, you come back into hell with nothing. I don't think I need to go that way. I think it makes sense. Yeah, that's cool. Oh god, I unleashed the cackle demon. What? And then... Uh-oh. You guys ready? Oh, it's just a bunch of imps. Wait, can I... Oh, hello! You wanna fight? Oh, okay. Oh, and then there's also the cackle demon. Okay, you know what? What's this? Okay, it's nothing. Ow! Dude, I keep getting hit by imp fireballs. Oh, I telefragged one. Please just... Is there still another shotgunner in there? Okay, I think they're gone. Okay, I just didn't want to come out. Oh god. Go away, bro. Oh, okay, dead now. Wait, that's the end of the level right here. Or not? Oh right, you have to go. Did I not go through that one? What am I missing? I'm missing something. Do I have to pull? Is there like 2 sets of them or something? I don't. Okay. Oh god. This level's pretty good actually. It is short, but you know, I still like it. Yeah, that crush consumed isn't as bad as I previously thought. Okay, cool. We beat it.